Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reduce the size of your JPG files to kilobytes. So first you are going to open your browser, any browser that you are using, and then you go to the search bar and type image resizer compressor, and you will see this website, the first one. You click on that, and here as you can see you can select the images that you want to compress. For example, I have chosen this one, and then you can of course customize it as you want, but by percentage, and you can see of course how it was and how it's going to be. And then after you finish all of the thing, you just click on apply, and then you click on download image, and as you can see you will find it with the new size of this image. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.